Hi dear, this is Dr. Ali welcoming you to Academic Ali channel. What they don't teach us at research school and why earn a PhD. They teach us to earn a PhD, but they don't teach us why earn a PhD. There are certain myths. One of the myths was the teachers are born. However, over the period of time, it has been proved that teaching is a skill and it is possible to train good teachers. And that has been proved by National Council for Teachers Education at national level, that it is possible for us to train good teachers. So the myth, teachers are born, is broken. There was another myth, programmers are born. The same myth has been broken way back in 1965 when Dijkstra introduced the concept of structured programming, and then it has been identified that programming is also a skill and it is possible to train good programmers. So the myth that programmers are born is also broken. There is third myth, managers are born. This was a myth which has been broken again way back when we started all over the globe and at national level also. We started several business schools and IIMs wherein good managers are trained. So it has been identified that managing is also a skill. So the myth that managers are born has been broken. What is the purpose of specifying that these myths, teachers are born, programmers are born, managers are born, these myths are broken? What about researchers are born? Is it a myth or fact? Fortunately, it is a fact that researchers are born. And this is not me, it is the great genius who says that everybody is a genius researcher. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. You are intelligent enough to understand the meaning. Researchers are born means everybody is a born researcher. And the same great genius said that imagination is the highest form of research. You, we, everyone, every soul can have very nice imagination power. Has been bestowed with good imagination power. The formal education system, if you look at, we have diploma, which allows the diploma holder a license to assist. Bachelor's degree, it is license to work. Master's degree, it is license to practice. And PhD, license to teach. Whatever level you would like to teach, higher education, technical education, professional education, acquiring a PhD means license to teach. If you want to be a teacher, trained teacher, then you get license to teach when you acquire PhD in a particular domain of research. Earning a PhD does bring the tangible benefits for career advancement. At national level, at UGC, AICTE, and almost every council has now made it compulsory that entry level qualification for a lecturer, assistant professor would be PhD. So earning a PhD, we have a reason. Earning a PhD does bring those tangible benefits for career advancement, but more than that, a PhD degree bestows you with treasure of tangible skills, intangible skills. And what are those? The treasure of skills, 7 treasure of skills you will be able to get if you embark upon PhD. Skill number 1 will be inculcated directly or indirectly in you of being curious. A PhD scholar becomes as curious as a child. So, one of the skill which is instilled in a PhD scholar is curiosity. Second skill is being patient. This is a very important human trait. Being patient for everything. So, PhD would bring in a scholar the noble trait of being patient. It makes you positive thinker, optimistic. So, being positive. And once you are positive, determined, it gives you confidence. So, intangible skill which is inculcated in a PhD scholar is being confident. The most important characteristic which is missing nowadays is being a good listener. We are good talker. On mobile also we get talk time. We don't get listening time. Being a PhD scholar makes you good listener. Being patient and being listener. PhD allows you to be self-critic. It makes you introspective. Rather than looking at the outside, you get instilled in you a characteristic of being introspective. And last but not the least goes as you become a lifelong learner. Having PhD, doing PhD, being PhD makes you being learner. And as rightly said by the great genius, once you stop learning, you start dying. I think these are more than sufficient reasons why to earn a PhD, why to invest your time, effort into earning a PhD. So, thank you. Please visit my channel academically at edually.com. Do subscribe to this channel and please give your feedback and comments so that we can incorporate them into our next video. Thank you. Happy researching. Have a nice time.